Hi everyone, today we're checking out the perfect mini sewing machine for beginners that's safe and eco-friendly. This compact machine features dual speed control, making it easy to sew at your own pace while ensuring safety for kids. It comes with an extension table for bigger projects and a built-in light to brighten your workspace. The mini size saves space and is ideal for small areas or taking to classes. Whether you're just starting or want a portable option, this machine is beginner-friendly with clear instructions. Plus, it comes in cute colors and makes a thoughtful gift for kids and women who love crafting. Get ready to enjoy sewing with this durable, easy-to-use machine designed for convenience and fun. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.